What is up, everyone? Welcome to Seth LeRoy Adventures. And yeah, today I ended up waking up late. My freaking alarm, my kids lost it. It's so irritating, and I'm not good with waking up to cell phone alarms. Ever since my son was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, he has alarms that go off all night. So now I need a really loud alarm system, and that's what works for me. But kids lost it, and I haven't wanted to buy a new one, but I'm just going to buy a new one today. So I'm going to my local lake, big lake. Just going to see if I can get me some fish real quick this morning. Fishing has slowed down lately, so I mean, in the end, and I'm still very frustrated. And I was going to go with my daughter today, but I went to wake her up and I said, do you want to go or do you want to go tomorrow? And she said tomorrow, but I want to take the kayaks out too tomorrow and the next day, so I don't know what I'm going to do. All I know is right now I'm going fishing. And I don't have as much time, so this is going to be crunch time. This is going to be a race against the clock because my wife works this morning. So what we're going to do is we're going to wet a line and we're going to see how quick we can just catch some fish. So enough of that. Let's go. Looking like it's still, like, no one's at the beach, so I can hit my beach fishing, so that's good. Oh, fuck, never mind. There's a damn swimmer right in the good hot spots, because he swims all along him, some weird dude. Whatever. I'm going to go hit over there, and I'm just going to throw my spinner then. Whatever. It's all fucking good. What are those yahoos walking around? Anyways, let's go. It's all good. We're going to hit spinners off the rocks in that area. Like I always say, we live in the land of 10,000 lakes. So what are you doing? Go fishing. Get your ass out there. Go fishing. There we go. That was a cool hit, too. Damn. I right away too, I knew it. I'm like, this is a cool little spot. I'm gonna get a hit here. I had a feeling too. There we go. Got him again. I love being in the water with these fish. Oh yeah, northern. Look at that. Look at how cool he is. And let's maybe get on these rocks a second. Oh, chill out, buddy. Yeah, we all know you're badass and you're tough and all that. Chill out. There you go, buddy. These are pretty northern. I used to grab these guys all the time, just like nothing. Get that hook out with my hand. But I saw horror stories of fish flopping, getting in people's hands hooked. And it's funny, I've seen some people be like, just grab the fish, grab the hook like a man. And I'm like, see, so now I'm all extra paranoid of getting my finger cut. Oh man, he fucked his shit up. Good Lord, buddy. You don't even realize what you're doing to yourself. Oh my God, you got yourself so fucking bad. Oh my God, oh my God, what a dork. These little snakes, they will fucking, they will hook themselves so goddamn bad. God can't even see where he did it. There we go. Had to do the old pull-up method. God damn. Damn, buddy, you really just did yourself dirty. I hate when they do that to themselves. But these northerns are very resilient, so look at them go. It'll be fine. Grow bigger, buddy. See, that's the kind of energy I like. This lady just walked by. She goes, "You fishing?" I'm like, "Yeah." Look at that train. She's like, "You fishing?" I'm like, "Yeah." She's like, "Good." Oh, he fucked up the skirt. I'm done. I'm just gonna grab another one. Well, that was weird how it just pulled off like that. Yeah, let's grab another spinner. See what kinds I got. Dude, I love this fishing vest. My wife's grandpa wore them all the time. That's where I got the idea. And when I first wore one, I'm like, this is amazing with all the pockets and everything. I'm like, come on now. Look at that. There we go. Whoa, I almost fell. Oh yeah, it feels a little bit more decent. There we go. Oh yeah. Feels a little bit more decent. I'm just not gonna I'll let them. Damn, they went deep. I'm gonna take my time on this one. Yeah, I can feel they are not a joke. Oh yeah, I feel her. Oh, did she get off there? No. Oh no, she's still there. Oh, she just feels big. Oh, I saw her go. That was cool though. She wasn't huge. She just was fighting me good in them weeds. That was fun. That was fun. I don't know if in the GoPro or on my phone you'll be able to see right between that opening. You got to see her get off and swim away. It's pretty. That was cool. Yep, I just fucking... Oh my god, that pissed me off. Wow. Oh, whatever. Any luck today? Oh, okay. Yeah, I just had one northern and another northern on. That's it. Well, good luck, man. Well, that is it for this one. I'm walking back to the van. That was a lot of fun, but when I wake up late, all I care about is that I catch a fish. My wife's so funny. She's just such a mom. She's like, "You just needed to sleep." It's like, no, my fucking alarm's... Kids lost my alarm. I'm so annoyed at that. How do you lose a fucking alarm plugged into the wall? You know what I mean? If you have kids, you'd understand, but it's just... Ever since then... And it's just more of me being stubborn. I don't want to buy one. I want to find mine. So, you know, I sit there and search and search. Well, we're also remodeling the entire house because we're selling it to move more country. I'm just hoping that I stumble upon it. Haven't stumbled upon it. So it is getting to the point where it's like, oh, do I just go buy another one? And if I find the other one, then I have a backup, or, you know, whatever you want to call it. So I guess we'll see. God, it's loud here. You got all these cars going crazy. Oh, and then I didn't show any cars. But yeah, that's it for this one. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine with me. I'm just glad you're rocking with me. It was fun. Like I always say, we live in the land of 10,000 lakes, so what are you doing? Get out there, go fishing. I only used one GoPro battery today. That's how quick I had to fish, but we got us one, and that's all that matters, and it was beautiful. And the real reason I fish is for that, the meditation, the peace. Yeah, so I think my daughter will come with me tomorrow, and then the next day, Labor Day, I'll take out the kayak. So there you go. All right, peace, I'm out.